we'll guide you through how to create a Google Sheets calendar template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Sheets by going to sheets.google.com on your desktop. Once you're there, click on the blank template to start with a fresh sheet. Now, let's begin setting up your calendar. You'll want to create a header row for the days of the week. In the first row, starting from cell B1, type in the days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Next, you'll need to set up your dates. In cell A2, type in the first date of the month you want to create the calendar for. For example, if you're making a calendar for January, type 1/1/2026, and Google Sheets will automatically format it as a date. To fill out the rest of the dates in your calendar, click and drag the small blue box at the bottom right corner of cell A2 down to complete the sequence for the rest of the month. This will automatically populate the dates in order. Now, let's make it look more like a calendar. Select the entire grid of dates and days, and go to the toolbar. Click on the borders icon to add borders around each cell, giving it a clean, grid-like appearance. You can also adjust the column width to make sure everything fits nicely. If you want to add some color, highlight the header row with the days of the week, and use the Fill Color tool to choose a color that you like. For additional organization, you might want to highlight weekends in a different color. This can be done by selecting the columns for Saturday and Sunday and changing their fill color. Finally, if you want to add events or notes, you can simply click on any cell and type in your notes directly. If you need to move things around, you can easily cut and paste the cells to adjust your schedule. And there you have it, a functional calendar template in Google Sheets. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.